In this video, I'll show you how to find trending ICP Memecoins on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if you're on Dexscreener, what you need to do right here is to click on this trending tab with the fire streak, right? So you can see in the past 6 hours, there have been some launches right here, right? So this with $1.5 million market cap, this 233k, this 654. So you can either select from these options. I can see if I select the 12 hours, I would also see the meme coins that has been here for the past 12 hours, right? That is on the ICP blockchain. So this is basically how you can find trending ICP meme coins here on Dexscreener. If you find this video helpful, please share it below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.